So hi there, a very good evening. This is me, Justine Kapani, on your screens. Sorry for that look. I've got pain in my left foot, my toes, three toes on the left. So that's not important. The point is how you doing and how's life and everything and all that. And I hope you're enjoying your day and you're having a good start to the week. It's Wednesday here in New Delhi, NCR, and I am enjoying my favorite cha, chi, cha with positive energy and stuff. And it's based on one of the creations I have here for the international market and for customers who prefer luxury and quality. This is actually a semi-precious stone with some nice work here, and this will last at least for 6-7 years on your table if you manage it really very well. So coming back to what brings me on to your screens by the way of YouTube and through social media, it's to give you two good tips to keep you healthy. And it's important that you take care of yourself and your health and stuff while you're at work or you're enjoying life, whether you party or you go out, whether you come back home, whether you chill, whether whatever you do, it's very important for you to have healthy habits. And having a chai, I'm going to tell you why it's very important, but with two important elements which you can include in it, because they're really useful on a daily basis and extremely useful for your health and stuff. So number one is my chai. My chai has already got you know uh, cinnamon in it. So cinnamon is very good because it helps you balance out your system, and it drives away the blues and keeps you alert. And of course it adds this very amazing taste to your experience of having a chai. And for women and men especially, men I don't know, but for women definitely I know because I've researched it during corona and before that. When you have a little bit of cinnamon in your chai, it actually prevents depression and stuff. Okay, so this is a researched one. Research it at your end as well. And next is the alternate for this is you can have cardamom matlab ilaichi. Yeah, cardamom has this amazing exquisite taste. So in the afternoon I had chai with this, and cardamom helps you kind of in a way because it takes care of your liver. Research that as well. And do not believe what AI therapy and therapists tell you and stuff. Research it, speak to a doctor and stuff. And this is a doctor's research which I'm sharing. And cinnamon definitely works the way I've said it. And cardamom definitely, उसकी खुशबू इतनी amazing है. The fragrance of cardamom is so nice, and when it kind of lands in your mouth and stuff, it really relaxes you and stuff. So these two tips, if you want not to have too much of chai, you can look at green tea, and there are so many varieties in green tea. Green tea is definitely a great way to kind of detox your system, and it also helps you to burn your calories in a way. Depends on what make you're having and how many you're having. And certainly it helps you increase your metabolism rate and stuff. For those who drink, or those who are having issues reducing weight, or they're sitting more on their desk and stuff, definitely must have lots and lots of green tea, as recommended by their dietitians or their doctors. And what's very important and crucial which you must keep in mind is that keep moving your body, stay flexible, even if you're doing a desk job or you're working on your computer or you're watching TV or you're driving or you're on your phone or whatever. If you're sitting for too long hours, especially in corporate offices or otherwise, make sure that you move your body. So there was a research which I have shared also on social media which says that the spine likes people who are moving and flexible. And I mean, my doctors had also told me this, that I've got to not look much down into my phone or into my computer or when I'm driving or sitting or whatever, because of whatever cervical issues I've had. And I mean, for me it's like a challenge often not, but nevertheless I don't cease to enjoy my day or capture the moments that I have not working or making the best use of it and stuff. So I put in all in my time and energy on actually looking at stuff which is very useful for me, and if it is useful for me, I think it's a good idea for me to share it with you because it's going to be useful for you. Like me, there are so many people who are normally sitting and they don't move much and stuff. So doctors any which way say a sedentary lifestyle is not a very good idea. So what's important is to kind of move every 30-40 minutes, move, and in a day at least 45 minutes to an hour of exercise is definitely recommended. And since I've been in fitness and I've been in sports and stuff, for me I find it hard to sometimes even relax when I don't work out, or if I overwork out I tend to sleep a lot. Like yesterday I worked out and I've kind of overslept and stuff, and of course there's the medicines and everything. So pardon the way I look and stuff. This is just a spontaneous message. So enjoying my chai and leaving you or giving you this tip that the options are dalchini chai, which is cinnamon tea, or cardamom tea, which is your elaichi chai, and then you have options that I've given you of having this other green tea, and of course coffee. Everybody knows coffee works, no? So that's a separate message on coffee which I've shared before. So many researches from international countries and stuff and all. So take care of yourself, have fun, enjoy, have a blast, and make the best use of it. Whatever challenges you have at work, at play, most people have those. So make the best use of it and enjoy your downtime. If you're off work, enjoy your drive, enjoy watching the video. And if you're glued in, onto your TV screens and stuff, get up and get yourself a nice cup of chai, and include at least 2 to 3 cups on a healthier note as recommended by your doctors with the diet and stuff. So I'm sure this is going to work for you. So enjoy, and here's Hakuna Batata. Keep shining and keep looking at positive videos, and follow quality of content, and keep sharing good stuff because it could really benefit a lot of people around you and stuff. So love and luck and take care. Have fun. Bye bye. Cheers.